I'm Robot Nathan.
No, it's really me. And this here is my robot dog, Robo-Dog. Say hello, Robo-Dog. Robo-Dog doesn't seem to be behaving like a robot today. Never mind, Robo. I've been programmed to do lots of beep beep robot things, like walking and playing with Robo-Dog every single day.
Con mi perro yo voy a pasear. Lento comenzamos a caminar. Luego empezamos a correr y me divierto con él.
You know, Robo-Dog is Robot Nathan's best friend. And I love him very much. But lately, Robo-Dog doesn't seem to be doing anything. Watch. Okay, Robo-Dog, sit. Come on, good boy, good boy. Now sit. Let me try. Oh, this is rather uncomfortable. My robot brain tells me that this is not the right way to be. Okay, Robo-Dog, I'll demonstrate. Woof, 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 woof. You know what, Robo-Dog? I think I'd make a better dog than you at the moment. And this here is my control panel. It makes me do different things. Fast or slow. Hey, Robo-Dog, do you feel like a long, slow walk? Okay, press the triangle button for walking speed.
Con mi perro yo voy a pasear. Lento comenzamos a caminar. Luego empezamos a correr y me divierto con él.
Oh no, it seems like Robo-Dog's forgotten how to walk. Oh well. You know, it seems like Robo-Dog can do doggy things after all. Well, I better go and look for him. You never know what his computer brain will make him do next. See ya. Here, Robo-Dog.